If a ray makes angles alpha, beta, gamma, delta with the four diagonals of a cube, find cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta. First, we can draw the cube. It is the x-axis. This is the y-axis, B point, A point. This is the z-axis, C point, P point. Okay, it's Q, R, S. Just cube means the sides are equal. So on x-axis A comma 0 0, it is the intersecting origin 0 comma 0 comma 0. P is the A comma A comma A. S is in xz plane 0 A 0 A. C is 0 0 A. R is yz plane 0 A A. On y-axis 0 A 0. In xy plane Q point is A comma A comma 0. Here O is equal to 0 0 0, A equal to A 0 0 R, B equal to 0 A 0, C equal to 0 0 A, P equal to A, Q equal to A 0, R equal to 0 A, S equal to A 0 A, or the vertices of the cube, or vertices of cube. Okay. Next to diagonals. Diagonals, you concentrate the diagonals. This is the back side of the face. Okay. Back side of the plane. This is the front side of the plane. The C to Q is the one diagonal. Okay. Top to bottom. Okay. One diagonal. And here bottom to, see a box is there, top to bottom. Here back side to, this is the next P to O, this R to A. Four diagonals are there. So here we are taking, consider a cube of side A and coordinate axis OA, OB, OC passing through the origin O as shown in above figure. And O, A, B, C, P, Q, R, S are the vertices. Here we are taking a ray. Consider a ray with direction cosines. We are taking the direction cosines L comma M comma N. Direction cosines means it satisfies the condition L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. That is making an angle alpha, beta, gamma and delta with the four diagonals. Those four diagonals are OP, this is OP, and CQ and AR, BS. Okay, I drawn that one. This is CQ, OP, AR, BS. So what are the diagonals? OP, CQ, AR, and BS respectively. Okay, here OP equal to A minus 0, A minus 0, A minus 0, that is equal to A comma A comma A. Next, cos alpha equal to modulus of direction cosines are AL plus BM, that is AM plus AN, by modulus of under root of A square plus A square plus A square under root of L square plus M square plus N square. Cosines means it is 1, so A is taking common. L plus M plus N modulus A into L plus M plus N with modulus of by A root 3 into 1. This A get cancelled, it is equal to L plus M plus N by root 3. It is the cos alpha. Similarly, we can take CQ. CQ means Q vertices are A, 0, C is 0, 0, A. A, 0, 0, 0, A equal to A comma minus A. Then cos beta equal to modulus of AL plus AM minus AN by under root of A square plus A square plus of minus A whole square means A square under root of L square plus M square plus N square. It is equal to A is taking common L plus M minus N by A root 3 into 1, A cancel, L plus M minus N by root 3. Next, CQ over, next AR. AR means R is in XY plane, that is 0 minus A minus 0, A minus 0, it is equal to minus A, then cos gamma equal to modulus of minus AL plus AM plus AN by under root of minus A whole square is A square plus A square plus A square under root of L square plus M square plus N square. A is common, minus L plus M plus N by A root 3. A cancel, it is minus L plus M plus N by root 3. And cos gamma means the diagonal is BS. BS equal to S is in XY plane, B is OB, that is XY plane means 0 minus A minus B point is 0, B 0, S is, sorry, 0, A 0, S is A 0, A. So A comma minus A comma A, then cos delta equal to under root modulus of AL minus AM plus AN by under root of A square plus A square plus A square under root of L square plus M square plus N square. equal to a into L minus m plus n by a root 3 into 1, a cancel, it is equal to L minus n plus L minus m plus n by root 3. Okay, here we can take what they have given: cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta equal to alpha is L plus m plus n whole square by root 3, L plus m plus n by root 3 whole square plus L plus m minus n by root 3 whole square, L plus m minus n by root 3 whole square plus minus L plus m plus n by root 3 whole square plus L minus m plus n whole square by root 3. Here root 3 means by 3, a square plus b square plus c square. Here in all denominators having 3, L square plus m square plus n square plus 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl plus L square plus m square plus n square plus 2lm minus 2mn minus 2nl plus L square plus m square plus n square minus 2lm plus 2mn minus 2nl plus L square plus m square plus n square minus 2lm minus 2mn plus 2nl plus 2nl minus 2nl plus minus 2mn plus 2mn minus 2lm plus 2lm plus 2lm minus 2lm plus 2nl minus 2nl minus 2mn plus 2mn. How many are there? Here 4 into L square plus m square plus n square by 3. We know that 4 by 3 into 1 equal to 4 by 3, since L square plus m square plus n square equal to 1. This is the solution. Okay.